Hello guys, I'm Baby Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. In this video, I'll show you how to make the Japanese style Castella, a sponge cake that is made with bread flour. It is springy, slightly bread-like texture and with a dark crust. And because of that, it tastes quite different from other sponge cake. And all these are achieved with only a few ingredients. Thanks for joining me in this video and keep watching. Separate the egg white from the egg yolks. You can do it by your clean hands or with a yolk separator. Put the egg whites in a large mixing bowl. Place the mixing bowl on top of a water bath. Beat the egg whites at low speed. Add the tester sugar bit by bit. Beat the meringue until it forms soft peaks. Now add the egg yolks one by one. Next, add the honey and continue mixing until it becomes homogeneous. Sieve the bread flour and add half of it into the batter. When it is well combined, add the remaining flour. Try to pick up all the flour sticking on the mixing bowl until it becomes a smooth batter without lumps. Next, add the milk to the batter and mix evenly. Scrape the mixing bowl with a silicone spatula to ensure all the flour has incorporated evenly with the batter. Slam the bowl onto the table whenever you detect any large bubbles. Slamming helps to break the bubbles to achieve a very fine texture. Traditionally, Castella is baked within a bottomless wooden frame. Since I do not have the wooden frame, I wrap the corrugated cardboard with aluminum foil and to form a frame that insulates the cake. Another method is to form a square cake pan by using old newspapers. Pour the batter into the pan slowly from the position 1 foot above the base. The impact of the batter onto the pan and the slow pouring action helps to break the bubbles. You can also break the smaller bubbles with the tip of the bamboo skewer or toothpick. Place the Castella on the lower rack of the oven. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius, uncover for about 50 minutes. After baking, lift the cake pan and drop a few times to the table. This method helps to minimize shrinkage. Overturn the Castella on a cake board and let it be upended for a minute. This method helps to create a flat surface. Wrap the cake with cling film and keep it in the refrigerator for half a day. The Castella is ready. It is very soft, springy, elastic, and it behaves a little bit like bread. Cut the Castella into slices and serve. That's how I make the Castella, and I hope you will make it at home. You can get the recipe in the description section right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like. I'll see you again in another video on this channel soon, and bye for now.